Hi everyone, it's Donna from Spaceman Papercrafts, and I'm here with my almost 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I can't believe it. I checked my subscriber list today, and I'm just over 2,700 now. I can't imagine I'm gonna get up to 3,000 before this challenge ends, but I just think, because I've been keeping these prizes for a little while, and some have just come in today, and I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it, because it's not fair keeping all these goodies away from you guys who have been my support. So let's see. Now what I need you to do is, I've made this little tray, and I made it last night at chipboard, and I've been seeing a lot of the IC cards, so they're usually 6x4 cards that you sort of alter and then you put your information on the back. Well, I think they're too small, and that's just my opinion, and I just think that you can't really go to town on something so small, you know. So I decided to make bigger ones. Now this challenge is to make me an information card about yourself. Okay, so the size needs to be 7.5 by 5.5 to fit nicely in my little tray here. And all I want you to do is decorate the front of it however you want, in your own style. Really put your own spin on it. Do whatever it is that you want to do. The only thing I will say is that, because I only did 2-inch sides, if you've got anything that's going to be putting weight on it, maybe put the weight at the bottom. That's the only thing I would say. But just decorate it to your own taste, in your own style. I'd really love to see all your creativity, because it just amazes me. I watch a lot of you on YouTube, and I am continuously overwhelmed. Continuously, both are good, I think, but I'm always overwhelmed by some of the creations that you guys make. In fact, all of them. I just am amazed and so inspired by you. So I'd really love to have a piece of your work on my desk in my little tray. So you would decorate the front as you like, and then on the back I'd like you to put your YouTube name if you have one, or Instagram or Facebook, whatever it is you do. Obviously not personal Facebook, but you know, if you have like a I don't know, like a group Facebook or something, so put that on there. Then put your real name. Then I'd love your address, because I'm hopefully going to be doing a lot of random acts of kindness and birthday shout outs, hopefully, and this is the plan anyway going forward. My health has been up and down. I've been in at hospitals having biopsies and things like that done, so I'm still waiting for results of those. So just something to keep me cheery, really. So YouTube name, real name, your address, your birthday. You don't have to put your year. I know it's very temperamental for women, although, you know, I'm quite happy to say I'm 43. So your age, and any other information that you think I might like to know about you, like your favourite style or your favourite colour, or just something about you that you want to share with me. I would love that. I would really love that. So yeah, so it's just got to be 7.5 by 5.5, and it just fits nicely with a little bit of room. So you can have like trims hanging off the edge if you want, or whatever. So I've made it so that you do have a good 1/2 inch on either side. Okay, so that's what you need to do. So that's the first thing you need to do. You also need to be a subscriber. You also need to like and comment on this video, you know, the usual. And how it's going to work is that you will get 10 points for your card that you send me, your information card. You will get 20 points if you do a VR. Now I know a lot of you don't have YouTube, so I'm on Instagram as well, and I have my Facebook group. I'll put all that in the description bar below. So as long as you sort of share something, then that will entitle you to the 20 points for your VR. You will need to let me know that you've done that though, so I can just double check. And I do trust you, but you know, I just need to double check in the interest of fairness for everyone else. If you want to send me any extra goodies, it is not a requirement. Please don't think it's a requirement, because it isn't. But if you do, you'll get an extra point for anything that you send, whether it be a card or something. So yeah, so your card needs to be 7.5 by 5.5, and that's really all I need for you to do. So the challenge is open from today, and it will be closing on the 1st of November. So that should give you guys plenty of time. I know there's a lot of other challenges and different things going on, and a lot of Halloween projects coming up and things like that. So yeah, so it will close on the 1st of November. Obviously, before I show you the prices, I just need to say that this is not sort of affiliated or associated with YouTube in any way. This is just me, and it's not being sponsored by anyone. It's just prizes that I have put together. Okay, so enough rambling. I've just rambled for the last 7 minutes, I think. So let's go and have a look at the prizes. So there are going to be 3 prizes. So I'm going to move this out of the way. So this is the first prize. Okay, for anyone that likes the gorgeous girls, this is a good one. Okay, so you get a little pack of polka dot buttons. I'm also giving this stamp set. I'm not sure what this one's called actually. My Own Universe. So there's that one. I am also giving away a 6-pack of glitter in the Santoro Gorgeous range. Some lovely colours in there. To tell you what colours they've got? No, but it looks like purples, greens, golds, some red. Beautiful colours in there. So there's that. This I love. I have one of these myself. It is, oh, I'm so sorry about the glare on my lights, guys. This is the Santoro Gorgeous scrapbook set. So it's basically, it's a scrapbook kit. So you get your scrapbook, you get some paper clips, you get some washi, the Santoro washi, you get some little envelope pockets, and the pages are gorgeous. Here's mine. I'm just gonna go through the pages that I've written on, and then just give you a little flick through. You get a lovely pocket in the back, and it's just really nice, and I've been using it to just jot things down about, you know, how I feel with different things and with my health and stuff like that. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So you get this, and then you also get, and again it's going to glare because of the plastic, you also get the Santoro craft mat and the craft knife. Now I've got mine here. I'll show you this, hopefully it won't glare as much. So this is my craft mat, and it's a nice size, it's an A4 size, and it's got a nice little handle at the top. And I have to say, the craft knife, whatever that is, that craft knife is brilliant. It's probably one of the best craft knives I've ever used. So you get that as well. Oh yeah, so that's the Santoro Gorgeous bundle. So that's the first prize. Okay, I'm just going to move this off to the side. Okay, so second prize, 2 goodie bags full of goodies. Okay, I'll go through this one first. You get this stamp set. You get pearls, adhesive pearls. You get that stamp set and that Christmas stamp set. You get some tropical papers. You get 3 packs of these 3D butterfly stickers. You get 3 X-Cut dinky dies. So you get the pocket watch, the teapot, and the lock and key. And then you also get these 2 Christmas stamp sets. I'm going to put all that back in the bag, this bag. You get 2 bags of goodies, and we'll go through the next bag. So in the next bag, you get this Do Crafts Paper Mania capsule stamp set. I've tried to make some of these go together. This is a different Do Crafts. This is the Modern Luster, but I thought the gold goes really well with the capsule collection. You also get, again in the capsule collection, you get a little gift tag and stamp set. So you get the ink, then you get some stamps, and then the tags, and you stamp your own greetings on there. Also, whoops, also in the capsule range you get mini cards and envelopes, 2 different designs. You also get a pack of the capsule ribbon. You get 6 rolls, and each has got a metre on each roll. You get a pack of these envelope bags, so they'll be nice to decorate and send out for happy mail and things. And then also another pack of those butterflies. So that is all for the second prize. Put those away, and then I'll bring out the third prize. Okay, move these over. And this is the third prize. Okay, so in here, this is just a bundle of cuteness. It's the Do Crafts Paper Mania Pause for Thought collections. So you've got the die cut notelets, you've got the craft tape, and I think there's dogs and cats and all sorts on that one. Then you get the die cut sentiments. I was trying to get all the coordinating bits out first. You get the sticker notes, sticky notes even, my little post-it notes. You also get a paper pack of the Pause for Thought. So these are really cute, cats and dogs and little bunnies. Then what else did I get coordinating with that? Let me see. Oh yeah, I've got these 2 little notebooks. These are the cutest thing. So on this one you've got cats, and it's really cute because you've got plain paper with little paw prints on, then it goes to lined paper, then it goes to grid paper. So you get that one, and this one. Oh, this is what our little puppy looked like, Sophie, our little teacup chihuahua, when we first got her. Actually her sister Fluffy, who we have now, is not that much bigger and she's full grown, but this is just gorgeous. So again, it's the same sort of layout. Then to keep with the animal theme, some little note pals. These are all little dog faces, and then some of those sticky butterflies. This craft card kit, so you get some stickers, you know, for closing, like the envelopes, like envelope seals, some little stamps, and you get the cards and envelopes. You also get this pack of adhesive pearls. I thought the colours went really well with the collection. And then just a bit of a random one, I've just got these wooden words: dream, believe and love. So I put those in as well. So that is my prize giveaway or challenge. They're the prizes. Just putting this away while I still talk, so I don't want to leave any bits out. Make sure it all goes back in. So yeah, so I'm just going to run over the rules again. So you need to make an information card that measures 7.5 by 5.5. Again. So just decorate it however you want it, and then just put all your information on the back that I've asked for. And then you just need to be a subscriber. New subscribers are obviously welcome to take part in this as well. If you have somebody that comes over from your channel, if you mention that they've come from you, or if they mention they've come from you, I'll give you an extra 5 entry points as well. So yeah, so that's that. You need to do a VR as well if you want extra points, or a Facebook share or Instagram, and any extra bits you send will be 1 point each, but again, not a requirement. So yeah, and it runs from today to the 1st of November. Now if you haven't got my address, my email address will be in the description bar below if you just want to email me, and I will send you my postal address. And I really hope you guys enter, and I'm so grateful to all of you. I really am truly grateful for everything. Crafting has been something that's kept me going for a while, and a long time actually. And yeah, and this crafting community of ours, I keep saying it, but I just love it. I think it's amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to give something back because you're all amazing. So thank you so much again, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.